Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to transform imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your creativity toward profitable furniture designs, and to help you understand how wood craft projects can enhance your home while also becoming a reliable source of income. Furniture design continues to evolve as homeowners look for pieces that combine beauty, practicality, and individuality. Among the many furniture elements found in a living room, the coffee table holds a unique and important position. It sits at the center of the space, connecting seating areas, supporting daily activities, and acting as a visual anchor that ties the room together. Because of this central role, coffee tables are always in demand. Customers constantly search for pieces that reflect their personal style while still being practical and durable. For woodworkers and creative makers, this demand creates an exciting opportunity. A well-designed wooden coffee table can be both relatively simple to construct and highly attractive to buyers. Wood has always been one of the most valued materials in furniture making. Its natural grain, warm tones, and strength make it perfect for creating pieces that feel authentic and long-lasting. When shaped with thoughtful design and careful craftsmanship, wood can transform a simple table into a centerpiece that elevates the entire living space. In this narration, we will explore wooden coffee table ideas that attract buyers and boost sales. We will look at different design concepts, understand why customers are drawn to them, and explore how makers can turn simple woodworking projects into products that stand out in the market. By understanding these principles, you can transform everyday woodworking skills into designs that not only beautify homes, but also create real opportunities for income. Wooden coffee tables remain one of the most versatile and profitable furniture projects for craftsmen. Unlike large furniture items that require complex upholstery or advanced machinery, coffee tables often rely on clean structures, thoughtful proportions, and the natural beauty of the material itself. One of the most appealing designs for buyers today is the live-edge coffee table. This design preserves the natural outer edge of the wood slab instead of cutting it into straight lines. The result is a table that feels organic and unique. Each slab carries its own natural curves, grain patterns, and textures, which means no two pieces are exactly the same. Customers are often drawn to live-edge tables because they feel authentic and connected to nature. In a world where many furniture items are mass-produced, a live-edge coffee table feels personal and artistic. For woodworkers, this design can be both visually striking and relatively simple to construct. A carefully prepared slab, paired with sturdy legs or a simple base, can quickly become a centerpiece that attracts attention in any living room. Another highly attractive concept is the minimalist wooden coffee table. Modern interior design has embraced simplicity, and many homeowners prefer furniture that feels light, clean, and uncluttered. Minimalist coffee tables focus on straight lines, balanced proportions, and smooth surfaces that highlight the natural beauty of the wood. These tables often feature rectangular tops supported by slender legs or simple frame structures. Because the design avoids unnecessary decoration, the quality of the craftsmanship becomes the main feature. Smooth sanding, precise joinery, and a well-applied finish allow the wood grain to become the visual highlight. For makers, minimalist designs are appealing because they rely more on accuracy and finishing than on complex carving or intricate construction. Functionality also plays an important role in attracting buyers. Many homeowners live in apartments or smaller living spaces where furniture must serve multiple purposes. This is why coffee tables with built-in storage have become extremely popular. A wooden coffee table with hidden drawers, lift-up tops, or open shelving provides more than just a surface for cups and magazines. It becomes a practical storage solution for everyday items such as remote controls, books, and small accessories. From the customer's perspective, this adds value because one piece of furniture solves several needs at once. For the craftsman, incorporating storage features can be a smart way to increase the perceived value of the table. A simple wooden structure combined with well-designed compartments can turn an ordinary table into a premium product that buyers are willing to pay more for. Another design gaining strong attention is the round wooden coffee table. While rectangular tables remain common, round tables bring a softer visual presence into the living room. Their curved edges allow people to move comfortably around the table, and they often create a more relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Round tables are especially appealing in homes with children because they eliminate sharp corners. They also pair beautifully with modern sectional sofas, helping create a balanced and harmonious arrangement. Crafting a round tabletop requires careful shaping and sanding, but the final result often feels elegant and timeless. Nested coffee tables are another idea that combines creativity with practicality. Instead of a single table, a nested design includes 2 or 3 smaller tables that fit together. These smaller tables can be separated when additional surface space is needed and then placed back together when the space needs to remain open. Customers appreciate this flexibility because it allows them to adapt the furniture to different situations, such as entertaining guests or relaxing with family. For makers, nested tables offer the advantage of repeating similar components, which can make production more efficient once the design template is established. Another approach that attracts modern buyers is the use of reclaimed wood. Wooden coffee tables demonstrate that beautiful furniture does not always require complicated designs or elaborate construction. With thoughtful proportions, quality materials, and careful craftsmanship, even simple tables can become standout pieces that attract buyers and enhance living spaces. For woodworkers and creative makers, these projects offer a powerful opportunity. A single coffee table can combine artistic design, practical functionality, and durable construction in a way that customers truly value. When built with care, these pieces become more than just furniture. They become part of everyday life within the home. Each carefully measured cut, every smooth sanded surface, and every balanced joint reflects the dedication behind handcrafted furniture. When customers bring such pieces into their homes, they are not only purchasing a table, they are investing in quality, craftsmanship, and the story behind the maker. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. Your support truly helps us continue creating more inspiring woodcraft ideas and practical project guides for makers around the world. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you build adds beauty to the world, and every design you create brings you one step closer to turning craftsmanship into opportunity.